candidate who is not satisfied with the marks allotted to him her on this basis will be given an opportunity to sit in an exam when the pandemic or the situation will be under control. Hello everyone, welcome back to English Simplified with Megha. There's an important news that's coming up for people and students who were going to appear in the CBSE class 10th board exams. Right now, the Union Cabinet Minister of Education has just tweeted that the exams for CBSE class 10th has been cancelled. However, there's no notification about ICSE students, but CBSE class 10th board exams has been cancelled. And regarding class 12th, the board exams has been postponed. So CBSE class 12th board exams has been postponed till further notice. So this is an important news. Well, let's get into the video, but before that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Few days back, due to the developing corona situation, as we know that the situation is getting worse day by day, and we should follow all the rules and regulation. We should stay back at home to protect ourselves. However, the situation is getting out of our hands. So there was an urge, and people were requesting the Prime Minister to cancel the board exams. So this decision, after a meeting that was held with the ministers, many ministers were there, and after the meeting it is decided today that the board exams for class 10th CBSE will be cancelled. However, there is no such notification, or there's no such mention about ICSE board exams. So let's see, there will be notification within a few days, as such we think so. So let's see what's going to happen. So there was a tweet that was done today by the Union Cabinet Minister of Education in India, who is Mr. Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He tweeted and gave the information today to the students and everybody. The board exams was going to be held from 4th of May 2021 to the 14th of June 2021, which is cancelled now for class 10th. And it is said that the results, now people are worried, students are worried, because they have been preparing. The date has been extended, which was earlier supposed to be conducted in March and April, which was extended till May, and now it is cancelled. So the students are worried as to how will the marking scheme be, what would be the criteria for marks, how would they go and go to class 11th, or what should be the criteria. So I'll read out the tweet that is done by the Union Cabinet Minister of Education. He said that the results of class 10th board will be prepared on the basis of an objective criteria to be developed by the board. So we do not know what exactly would be the objective criteria, but that's what he has tweeted. And he has also went ahead and said that any candidate who is not satisfied with the marks allotted, maybe it might be because of the pre-board marks, or it might be on the basis of any exams that might have been taken. We are not sure about it. It is not mentioned. However, it's mentioned that any objective criteria. Now, we do not know what the objective criteria is, but any candidate who is not satisfied with the marks allotted to him her on this basis will be given an opportunity to sit in an exam when the pandemic or the situation will be under control. So there will be an exam that would be held later on when the situation is under control, but right now there won't be any exams, and people who are not satisfied by the marks that are given to them can participate in that exam. So that is what is said. However, there's no mention about the ICSE board exams. This is only for the CBSE students. However, there's an assurance that is given by the Union Cabinet Minister of Education that the best interest of students would be kept in mind, and students will be given priority. So he went ahead and said that the best interest of students will be taken care of, and at the same time their academic interest would be also taken care of. So that's the information that is given. There's also an important notice that is given that for class 12, the exams will not be cancelled, but it is postponed till further notice. And before the exams will be held, there'll be at least 15 days will be given, a notice will be given at least 15 days before the exams would be conducted. So that's the information, and that's all. That's an important news that's given. So there might be students who are happy about the information, or there might be students who have worked really hard and not performed that well in their pre boards. So it might be a bad news for them. So it's up to you. So do not worry, take a chill pill, because the information that you have gained by studying is not wasted. Information is never wasted. The knowledge that you gain is never wasted. So please keep preparing, and you will definitely benefit out of it, because when you pass, when you go to class 11th and when you start studying, then these concepts will be beneficial for you. So please do not be sad, and keep preparing. All the best for your future. Now let's see if there'll be any further notice. You'll be notified. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on the English language, reading, writing, etc. And I'll be also giving you information if there's any new information related to education. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So thank you so much.